Hi everyone, this is Prem Dev from Techie Geek, and in this video we are checking out MEDITIVE Oximeter, which I purchased from Amazon.in. It is a budget-oriented one, and it comes with a lot of features, like some additional features like PA value and RR. Basically, RR means respiratory rate per minute. This kind of features not available in most of the oximeters. It comes with 1 year warranty. That impressed me a lot. The pricing of this one is under 1500 rupees. Even though the MRP is pretty high. Let's open the box. First thing which comes in the box is the warranty card. It comes with 1 year warranty, and you need to register within 7 days to get the warranty. Again, some documentations. It's an instruction regarding the oximeter and explains most of the things, as you can see. Let me keep these things aside. Here it is, the oximeter. Actually, it looks pretty tiny. On the picture, it looks slightly like it looks slightly bigger. So this is how it works. Right now, there is no battery installed. It comes with 2 batteries. Small type of batteries. Also there is a tag kind of thing which we can attach to this one. It might be a very handy because there is a chance of slippery. So I suggest to use that tag. Let me install the battery. Let me power on. Actually, it turns off the device automatically after inactivity. Let me check my SpO2 and heartbeat. Actually, it took around a couple of seconds to detect. My heartbeat is slightly high right now because I just finished my exercise. So that's pretty much this for this video. I will come back with a full review of this one, and I will tell my opinion. Thank you for watching. This is Prem Dev signing off.